Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Knoxville, Tennessee, heading north on US Highway 11, beginning at mile 108. The road is locally named Kingston Pike throughout this video, and we have a concurrency with US 70 East and State Route 1 East. US 11 through this part of Knoxville is a commercial corridor, and the highway ranges from 2 lanes in each direction with a shared center turning lane to 3 lanes in each direction with a raised median. Dedicated turning lanes are frequently added to get traffic into the shopping centers on either side of the road. Knoxville serves as the county seat of Knox County. According to the 2020 United States Census, the city of Knoxville had a population of 190,740 residents, making it the largest city in the East Tennessee Grand Division and the state's 3rd largest city following Nashville and Memphis. Knoxville is also the primary city within the Knoxville metropolitan area, which had a total population of 879,773 in 2020. Here we see an interchange with I-140, the only auxiliary interstate of I-40 we'll see in this series. I-140 forms the southern half of the Pellissippi Parkway, connecting I-40 with State Route 33 between Eagleton Village and Rockford. Curiously, I-140 is signed east-west, which is unusual as a spur of I-40, which is also an east-west highway. I-140 heads generally southeast from I-40, with one portion turning beyond east, which is probably the reason for the east-west designation. Kingston Pike has a lengthy history, dating back to its origins as a Native American trail which existed for centuries. In 1792, Charles McClung surveyed and established the Old Kingston Road, connecting Knoxville to what is now Farragut, formerly known as Campbell Station. By around 1795, this road was extended to reach Fort Southwest Point, which is in today's Kingston. Starting in 1810, a stagecoach line known as the Great Western Line operated along the Kingston Road, providing transportation between Knoxville and Nashville. During the Civil War, the Kingston Road witnessed skirmishes between Confederate and Union forces as they vied for control of Knoxville. To improve this vital route, the Kingston Turnpike Company was chartered in 1866. Knox County eventually purchased the Kingston Turnpike Company in 1872 and completed extensive improvements by late 1893. By 1913, trolley tracks had been laid along Kingston Pike, extending as far west as Lyons View Pike. This development prompted residential expansion and the construction of apartment buildings in the 2000 and 3000 blocks. Kingston Pike was further modernized in the early 1920s when it was paved with a durable surface, reflecting the growing popularity of automobile travel. By the end of World War II, Kingston Pike had been widened to 4 lanes. Between the 1920s and 1950s, Kingston Pike was a notable stopover for tourists traveling along the Dixie and Lee highways, which intersected and briefly overlapped with Kingston Pike. The Lee Highway followed US 11, while the Dixie Highway was associated with US 70, leading to this stretch of Kingston Pike often being referred to as the Dixie-Lee Highway, the roadway we're on now. The transformation of Kingston Pike into Knoxville's largest retail corridor began with the completion of West Town Mall in 1970. As historian Jack Neely once noted, if suburban sprawl had a local name, it would be Kingston Pike. Today, this road is home to an enclosed shopping mall, a big box retail center, over 100 strip malls, numerous chain restaurants, and it boasts more acreage of asphalt surface parking than any other street in the Knoxville Metropolitan Statistical Area. We conclude today's video at mile 113, just 5 miles from where we started, thanks to the low speed limit and frequent stops at traffic signals. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.